Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Let's take a look at today's problem statement. Find the artists with the highest amount of sales in a single week. So what we need is artists table, we need invoices table for invoicing, and we can use total. So how do we join this is artist joins to albums, albums joins to tracks, and tracks joins to invoice items, which in turn goes to invoice. So let's start building the query. First, let's call all the tables. So we need artists and albums, artist ID, and then we need tracks, album ID, and then we need invoice items on, and finally we need invoices, invoice ID. Now what all we need is artist name. So a dot name as artist name. Then we need the week. So let's use year and week combination. And from invoices we'll take the invoice date, call it week. Then we need total sales, and we can use the total field there. And let's round it up, call it total sales. Then we will use a rank function. We won't be using order by and limit here, because if multiple artists have the same amount, then if you are using a static limit number, it won't help. So what we can do is we can simply rank over order by sum of I dot total, and let's use descending as rank, and then finally we use a group by artist name and week. Let's see the output. So we can see for each artist and week number we have total sales values. Now let's put this into a CTE and then call this table. Let's use week also, and total sales from sales where rank equals 1. So we can see the only artist with highest sales is shown. If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.